Across the vast plains of Africa, a symphony of life unfolds. The wildebeest, with their ancient rhythm, play a crucial role in this ecosystem. They are the architects of the savannah, their hooves shaping the landscape. These magnificent creatures, also known as gnus, are a spectacle to behold. Their migrations are legendary. They are the lifeblood of the savannah, their presence influencing countless other species. Wildebeest belong to the Bovidae family, closely related to cattle and antelope. Two distinct species roam the African plains, the blue wildebeest and the black wildebeest. The blue wildebeest, with its distinctive bluish-grey coat, is renowned for its participation in the Great Migration. The black wildebeest, smaller and darker, inhabits the southern regions of Africa. Both species, however, share a crucial role as keystone species, their very existence shaping the delicate balance of the savannah. These creatures are deeply connected to the pulse of the savannah. Their lives are a delicate dance with the seasons, their movements dictated by the availability of food and water. The wildebeest, in their constant migrations, embody the resilience and interconnectedness of the natural world. Understanding the wildebeest is to understand the savannah itself. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and the intricate web of life that connects all creatures. Join us as we journey into the world of the wildebeest, exploring their lives, their challenges, and their enduring importance in the face of a changing world. The wildebeest is a creature sculpted by evolution for a life on the move. Every aspect of their anatomy speaks to their nomadic existence. Their bodies, strong and robust, are built for endurance. Their legs, long and powerful, carry them across vast distances. The blue wildebeest, a master of long-distance travel, can weigh up to 600 pounds. Their muscular build allows them to maintain impressive speeds, reaching up to 50 miles per hour when escaping predators. Their horns, a distinctive feature of both sexes, are formidable weapons. These curved, sharp horns are used in battles for dominance and for defense against predators. The black wildebeest, slightly smaller than its blue cousin, possesses a darker coat and a flowing mane. Their horns are even more impressive, curving forward and upwards in a majestic display. Both species share a shaggy coat, providing insulation against the harsh savanna climate. Their coat pattern, with its darker stripes, offers camouflage amongst the tall grasses. The wildebeest's hooves, tough and resilient, are perfectly adapted for traversing the rugged terrain of the savannah. Their digestive system, too, is a marvel of adaptation. It allows them to extract maximum nutrients from the often dry and coarse grasses that make up their diet. The wildebeest, in its entirety, is a testament to the power of natural selection. The wildebeest is a creature of the open plains. Their world is one of vast grasslands, dotted with acacia trees and watered by seasonal rivers. The blue wildebeest, the more widespread of the two species, roams across a vast swathe of eastern and southern Africa. Their range encompasses the iconic Serengeti National Park in Tanzania and the Masai Mara National Reserve in Kenya. These areas, with their abundant grasslands and seasonal rainfall, provide the perfect conditions for the blue wildebeest's migratory lifestyle. They follow the rains, their movements dictated by the availability of fresh grazing. The black wildebeest, on the other hand, prefers the drier, more arid regions of southern Africa. Their range is more restricted, concentrated in countries like South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia. They're often found in protected areas where their numbers are carefully monitored. Despite their differing habitats, both species share a common dependence on water. Wildebeest need to drink daily, their survival tied to the presence of reliable water sources. The wildebeest, in their distribution and habitat preferences, highlight the delicate balance of life in the savannah. Their presence or absence has a profound impact on the ecosystem, influencing everything from plant life to predator populations. Understanding their habitat needs is crucial for ensuring their long-term survival. Wildebeest are highly social animals, their lives intertwined with the complex dynamics of the herd. They live in large groups, sometimes numbering in the thousands. Their movements are a mesmerizing ballet of synchronized chaos. Within these herds, a sophisticated social structure exists, maintained through a complex language of vocalizations and body language. The herd provides safety in numbers, their collective vigilance a powerful defense against predators. When danger threatens, a wave of panic ripples through the herd, the air filled with snorts and the thunder of hooves. They move as one, a sea of horns and hooves, making it difficult for predators to isolate and target individuals. Communication is key to maintaining cohesion within the herd. Wildebeest communicate through a variety of sounds, each with its own meaning. Grunts, moos, and snorts convey different messages, from warnings of danger to expressions of contentment. Body language plays an equally important role. A flick of the tail, a stomp of the hoof, or a toss of the head can communicate volumes within the herd. During the breeding season, the social dynamics of the herd shift. Males become increasingly territorial, competing fiercely for the attention of females. Their battles are impressive displays of strength and aggression, their clashing horns echoing across the savannah. The victor earns the right to mate, passing on his genes to the next generation. Section 5, The Great Migration, an epic journey for survival. The Great Migration, a spectacle of nature unmatched anywhere else on Earth, is a testament to the wildebeest's resilience and their deep connection to the rhythms of the African savannah. Every year, over 1.5 million blue wildebeest, accompanied by zebras and gazelles, embark on an epic circular journey across the Serengeti Mara ecosystem. Driven by an ancient instinct, they follow the rains, their hooves tracing a path etched into the very soul of Africa. The migration is a continuous cycle, with the herds constantly on the move in search of fresh grazing and water. It's a journey fraught with danger, a test of endurance that pushes these creatures to their limits. Predators lie in wait, eager to capitalize on the abundance of prey. Lions, cheetahs, leopards and hyenas stalk the edges of the herds, their senses attuned to any sign of weakness. Crossing rivers swollen by seasonal rains presents another challenge. Crocodiles lie in wait, their powerful jaws a constant threat to the migrating herds. The Great Migration is not just a spectacle, it's a vital process that shapes the entire Serengeti Mara ecosystem. The constant movement of the herds prevents overgrazing, allowing the grasslands to regenerate. Their dung fertilizes the soil while their hooves churn the earth, creating microhabitats for insects and plants. Section 6. A grazer's life, diet and its impact on the savannah. The wildebeest is a grazer, its life intimately connected to the grasslands it calls home. Their diet consists almost entirely of grasses, their mouths perfectly adapted for cropping the short, nutrient-rich shoots. They are selective grazers, preferring certain types of grasses over others, their preferences influencing the composition of the savanna vegetation. Their grazing habits play a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of the savanna ecosystem. By preventing the dominance of certain grass species, they create opportunities for others to thrive, promoting biodiversity. Their constant movement prevents overgrazing, allowing the grasslands to regenerate and support a wider range of herbivores. The wildebeest's digestive system is a marvel of adaptation, capable of breaking down the tough fibers of savanna grasses. Their dung, rich in nutrients, acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. In essence, the wildebeest are farmers of the savannah, their grazing habits shaping the landscape and supporting the entire ecosystem. Their impact extends beyond the plant world. Their dung attracts a host of insects, which in turn provide food for birds and other small animals. The wildebeest, through their diet and their movements, play a vital role in the intricate web of life that defines the African savannah. Section 7. Keystone Species, the wildebeest's role in the ecosystem. The wildebeest is more than just a grazer. It's a keystone species. Their presence or absence has a disproportionate impact on the savanna ecosystem, influencing everything from plant life to predator populations. They are the linchpin, holding the delicate balance of the savanna together. Their role as prey is crucial. They are a primary food source for Africa's apex predators, including lions, leopards, cheetahs, and hyenas. The abundance of wildebeest supports healthy populations of these predators, which in turn helps regulate the populations of other herbivores. Their grazing habits, as we've seen, shape the savanna landscape, promoting plant diversity and preventing overgrazing. This benefits a wide range of other herbivores, from zebras and gazelles to smaller antelopes. Their dung, rich in nutrients, fertilizes the soil and promotes plant growth, further enriching the ecosystem. The wildebeest's migrations are also ecologically significant. Their movements across vast distances help spread seeds, promoting genetic diversity among plant populations. Their hooves churn the soil, creating microhabitats for insects and other small creatures. In essence, the wildebeest are ecosystem engineers, their every action shaping the world around them. Their importance to the savanna cannot be overstated. They are a vital part of a complex and interconnected web of life, their presence ensuring the health and stability of the entire ecosystem. Protecting the wildebeest is essential for protecting the savanna itself. Section 8. A fight for survival, predators and threats to wildebeest. Life on the savanna is a constant struggle for survival. The wildebeest, despite their impressive size and strength, face numerous threats, both natural and man-made. Predators are an ever-present danger, their survival dependent on their ability to evade the constant threat of attack. Lions, with their cooperative hunting strategies, are perhaps their most formidable foe. Cheetahs, the sprinters of the savanna, rely on their incredible speed to bring down their prey. Leopards, masters of stealth, often ambush wildebeest from the cover of trees. Hyenas, with their powerful jaws and scavenging habits, pose a constant threat, particularly to calves and weaker individuals. But predators are not the only danger facing the wildebeest. Human activities, too, are increasingly encroaching on their world. Habitat loss due to agriculture, urbanization, and fencing is fragmenting their ranges, disrupting their ancient migratory routes, and limiting their access to essential resources. Poaching for their meat and hides also poses a significant threat, particularly in areas where law enforcement is weak. Climate change, with its unpredictable rainfall patterns and increasing droughts, is adding further pressure, disrupting the delicate balance of the savanna ecosystem and making it harder for wildebeest to find the food and water they need to survive. The challenges are many, but the wildebeest, with their resilience and adaptability, continue to persevere. Their story is a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the importance of protecting these magnificent creatures and the habitats they call home. Section 9. Conservation, securing the future of the wildebeest. The future of the wildebeest, like that of so many other species, hangs in the balance. Their populations, once seemingly inexhaustible, are facing increasing pressure from a multitude of threats, but there is hope. Conservation efforts, driven by a growing awareness of their plight and the importance of their role in the savanna ecosystem, are underway. Protected areas like the Serengeti National Park and the Masai Mara National Reserve provide vital safe havens for wildebeest and other wildlife. These areas, carefully managed to minimize human impact, allow wildebeest to roam freely and complete their ancient migrations. Wildlife corridors connecting fragmented habitats are being established to allow wildebeest to move freely between protected areas, ensuring genetic diversity and access to essential resources. Anti-poaching units working tirelessly to combat illegal hunting are making a difference, but more needs to be done. Community-based conservation programs involving local communities in wildlife management and sustainable tourism initiatives are proving effective in some areas. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial for fostering a sense of stewardship and encouraging people to value and protect these incredible creatures. The challenges are daunting, but the rewards of success are immense. By working together, we can ensure that the wildebeest, these iconic symbols of the African savannah, continue to roam free for generations to come. Their future, and the future of the savannah itself, depends on our commitment to their conservation.